Do you want to look like you know what you're talking about when it comes to AI? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the basic terms I think you should know. Comfortable? Let's dive in. First, generative AI. Controversially, AI has been trained on pretty much everything mankind has ever written, drawn, or recorded. This allows it to create new content on demand based upon the patterns it's learned and on how we, humans, have created similar stuff in the past. The fundamental thing about generative AI is that you'll never get exactly the same answer to the same question. FYI, most of the time the implied meaning is the same. Next, you've probably heard of a large language model, LLM. Think of these as the language brains behind tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. They've been trained on so much text that they could produce an encyclopedia well before a room full of monkeys on typewriters could type any meaningful word. And crucially, they do it without flinging anything. An LLM reads what you write, predicts the next word, and tries her best not to embarrass you. Although I have to say, my LLM has started to take the proverbial out of me. I'm not joking. This thing bullies me. And by the way, if you want to sound flash, you could say, we already pass our customer service emails through an LLM. Essentially, what you're saying is, we have a ChatGPT license and we put all our customer service emails through it. Next, tokens, not the beer festival kind where you queue for 20 minutes and then realize you haven't got enough for the drink you wanted. Tokens are how AI counts text. Not pages, not sentences, but essentially chunks of words. Think of them as tiny Lego bricks the AI breaks your text into. More bricks means more work. Once you start using AI in a more serious way, for example, plugging it into other software so that it can do things automatically, you suddenly discover what tokens really mean. Basically, they mean money leaving your bank account. The more tokens you burn through, the more you pay, and the faster the company's stocks rise. Then we have RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of RAG as a guardian of truth. Most people should be aware that LLMs are sycophantic. It's flattering at first, but soon you realize LLMs tell you everything else. I've only just crop primed myself to sleep because of it. Enough of my sob story. So, with RAG, before AI goes and tries to figure out an answer to a query, you can force it to only check your own trusted data sources. This stops it from making stuff up when it cannot actually give you an answer. Next up is that 90s boy band MCP. Okay, maybe it's not a boy band. It's Model Context Protocol. Think of this as a universal plug adapter for AI. MCP is simply how AI plugs into all your business tools.